I've got to pull this back. So I figured I would do a little recap. Man, my phone's gonna fall. I figured I'd do a little recap of how it went in this ARRL 2020 International DX Contest CW. So I wasn't going to screw around in this contest, but I figured I would. I wanted to make a video just to encourage people to try QRP because it's really nothing to it. And this kind of proves it, right? I mean, my vertical antenna, it's an okay antenna. It's homebrew. It cost nothing. It was free. It's made out of garbage, but a conductor's a conductor, and it works. It's a good antenna. The wire antenna, the 80-meter end fed, my Wonder Wire, it's proving itself. Maybe it does start out at the shack window at 8 feet above ground level, but somewhere along the way, man, it heads upward and it gets the job done. This kind of proves it. So I only worked 4 entities on 160 meters. On 80 meters, I worked 16. I made a lot more contacts than that. I contacted 16 countries, entities. On 40 meters, I contacted 15 DXCC entities. On 20 meters, I contacted 23 countries. And on 15 meters, 6. For most of my little demo, I wasted most of my time on 15 meters when I recorded that. I should have done it on 20. Anyway, so I'm going to pause this and swing the camera around. Hang on. All 80-meter contacts were made using my my double core, my 2-core stack FT14043 Torrid cores, and as you can see, the black lead is clipped to that white wire. That's the 81-to-1 tap. I originally wound that on with just with multiple taps, but I stopped at 49-to-1 because the wires were filling the core. But sloppiness doesn't matter. Anyway, so use the 81-to-1 tap on 80 meters. Hang on. Okay, so I've been running QRP pretty much my whole ham career, which is over 40 years. And is it a challenge? Yeah, it's challenging, but it's time for something more. You'd have thought that I'd worked DXCC by now in 40 years, but I have not. Just because I'm not a DXer. I just screw around, man. So my plan? This phone won't stay down. My plan is when that number reaches 100, when I've worked 100 countries using QRP, that's it. That's it. It'll be time to run real QRP then. Then I'm starting over. I don't care about the confirmed countries. I'm not a wallpaper collector. I don't need any more toilet paper. I've got enough real toilet paper. So yep. When that work number hits 100, I've got 2 to go. I'm cranking it down. I'm going to run 1 watt QRP max. Well, that was fun. 73.